Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. And this time out, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Amazon Associates account. And I think I'm just getting old. I'm getting fucking old. I'm getting fucking old and cranky because I just wanted to go out on YouTube, and I haven't done it in a long time. Just see a video of someone set out an Associates account, Amazon Associates account, so I could do it real quick. So I made this video about monitors. See if I find it here. And yeah, so I made this about how to hook up old monitors to new laptops, new desktops, and stuff like that. So what I wanted to do is put associate links to different cables, different adapters that you can do for old VGA, old connections to monitors into your newer devices. So that's all I wanted to do. And what I got was I was just bombarded by people that wanted me to sell a fucking course, sell something, tell me how wonderful they are, how much they're making, and how much money they can make you. And I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck how much money you're making. I just need to know how to do this. So I made a video about it. So I'm going to show you how to set up your Amazon Associates account and how to use it. So here's mine right here that I set up. And basically, I'll put the link in the description. Okay, and once you hit the link, you're going to go here. You're going to hit sign up. Now, I've already signed up, so I didn't sign up under that. I didn't sign up under this one. So let's sign up under this one just for poops and giggles. I signed up under another account. Okay, the address is correct. The pay listed above, so that's going to be correct. If not, you can just select different address, use a different address. So I'm going to hit next on this. And then enter the website. So, I mean, this is just, I already have one set up. This is just to show you. So I'm just going to put I'm going to put fanfilmfollies.com because that's my other website. And then I'll go next and enter your mobile app, or which I don't have. I mean, that's up to you, right? Are any of your traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? No, I don't have anything for children under 13. Okay, so I'm going to put Fan Film Follies for this. So with your ID, it's got to be all together. I don't think it necessarily has to be lowercase. I write a blog and news articles about movies and fan films. Let's put that. It is a blog. So I heard about online search engine. And we'll do the CAPTCHA, 8XWT7M. Read this, read the terms, and then we'll go next here. So that is going to be my ID. Okay, and enter payment and tax information. Let's do it now. So, I'm going to sign back in. Fat finger it all day long and twice on Sundays. Okay, we'll sign back in for this. Amazon action needed. Approve or deny. We're going to approve that. I'm going to approve that. Thank you for your okay. And go back to this. You don't necessarily have to do that. There we go. All right. My phone's way over there, of course. Because why wouldn't it be? Okay, let me go grab that real quick. Okay, so if you got your two-way notification set up, which is probably always a good idea. I know it's a pain in the butt, but it's a good idea. Okay. 4, 3. Okay. All right, so these are things you got to pay attention to. So this is first your tax information. So so it's pretty self-explanatory. You can use individual, which is going to be your social security number, or you can use a business ID if you set up like an LLC or sole proprietorship or corporation or something to that effect. You should have a book with with a number in it. I have one. It's down in a tote someplace downstairs. So I just use my social security number. I don't plan on selling tons and tons and tons of stuff off my Amazon Associates program. So I'm just going to use my social security number. Are you a citizen? Yes. So the name will be my name. Don't put my name on yours. Put your name on yours. Okay, the address and obviously. All right, so we'll exit this interview. All right, so as you can see, that's done. Welcome to a new Amazon Associates program. All right, so we want to tell them how we want to get paid. So we'll click on that next. And let's see, change payment method. I don't know why checks. I made fun of marketers before for getting checks, showing checks that they received in the mail for commissions. Is this a real thing? do we still use checks today? Okay, fair enough. All right, so I'll put $100. Save change. And okay. Do I still need to do this? We got to get this important notice out of there. All right, that important notice is out of there. Okay, so now we want to go sell stuff. And once you sign up, you do get this email. As you can see, thank you for applying the Amazon Associate Program. Christopher Mosier being me. Your Amazon Associate profile is set up, and there is just 2 steps left until you can be fully accepted into the program. So I signed up. We did that already. Start advertising on your site. So basically what I want to do with that is find a, so this is HDMI. This is VGA to HDMI. So let me find DVI to HDMI, just so I can show you fresh. So I'm looking for a product like that, specifically sold by Amazon. I don't know if this is sold by Amazon or not. I'll go back and learn about it. I'm not worried about it right now. So once you sign up, you're going to get this SiteStripe up here at the top, and it's going to give you your link. So it will know when someone hits on the link and goes and makes a purchase that Amazon knows to credit you or debit you, to send you money, to give you money. So obviously pretty self-explanatory. Get a text and image link. I'm only doing a video. So let's see what this is. This product is one of the Amazon Associate Program excluded products. Okay. So we have to get one that's not excluded. Let's try this one right here. And once it loads, okay. So I grab this link right here, this short link, and then I will go into the video that I did. As you see here, I already have one that I started. So this is, what the hell did I say that was? DVI to HDMI, or the other way around. DVI to HDMI. All right, and put that, and then save. I haven't made this video live yet until I get all the links in there. So anyways, I want to do a list of products. So if people watch the video, if they need to get these particular products, they hit my links, and then they purchase, and then you get a commission off that. That's all I wanted to learn. I don't know why it was a big fucking deal to find that out. I think I'm just sick of marketers as a whole, marketers and marketer gurus as a whole. I think it just already had a bad taste in my mouth. I wanted to mention something as a side note here. So, okay, you have your Amazon Associates. You also have your Amazon Seller. It's 2 totally different things. So the Associates that I just taught you, that is facilitating other people's products. So it's just putting links, and they go, someone out there in the stratosphere sends whoever hits your link their product, gets paid and everything, and you just get like a chunk of that. You get a little bit of that off that. The seller program is something totally different. That's products that you have, maybe your products that you're selling personally. Maybe you're doing some type of drop shipping scenario. That's totally something different, because you would go out, right? Someone would purchase something off your personal store that you would set up, and then you would go out and either purchase it through drop shipping, or you would have an inventory wherever you're at, in a warehouse or wherever, your house or whatever, an outhouse. I don't know. So basically, make the distinction. That's 2 different things. Okay. So the Associates, we just have to get links to other people's products, put them on our site. Someone links to them, someone purchases off those links, and then you get some type of commission. That's it. That's all I wanted to learn, you fucking marketer fuckers. There's nothing wrong with marketing. It just gets annoying all the time. Everyone wants to make a buck. I realize that you got to live, you got to eat and everything. It just gets so fucking annoying. It's like everyone wants to bullshit you and sell you shit. I just want to learn stuff. Money does not motivate me. That's not my motivating factor to the fact that money motivates me to live. That's about it. I don't need money. I don't need to go to the Bahamas every year. I'm an IT geek. I sit in front of this computer and do what I do. All right, guys and guys, I'm like oversharing abundantly. I hope you got something out of this. If you could please subscribe, I would appreciate it. I'm going to be like the grumpy IT guy. I should change the channel name to Grumpy IT Guy. Grumpy IT, motherfucker, cocksucker. All right, subscribe if you could, and I don't know, what do? Hit the thumbs up and share the link and hit the bell, and you know how to do it, and I'll talk to you later.